Are you a first responder or veteran business owner? Well, I get a lot of questions from some of my clients and some of my friends that have small businesses that ask about Google Ads and what it means and how to use it for their businesses. And a lot of them know that that's one of the specialties that I do in my digital marketing business. So I wanted to go over just a few of the things if you're looking into it, trying to do it on your own. One is you want to make sure you have the right keywords. If you don't know what keywords are, think of it as like, what are the search queries? What are the things that people are going to type in or speak into their microphones on their phones or on their computers at home to look for your business, like whatever your services do? Those are going to be your keywords that you're going to want to run the Google ad, the auctions on. The second one is what CPC, which is cost per click, and that's going to give you an idea of how much each search query is going to cost you for every time someone clicks on that to maybe look and learn more about your business for the ad that you set up. The other one that you're going to want to do some market research on as well is the different search volumes in your area. And there's going to be different types of search queries, different types of keywords, and some of them have more value to you than others. An idea would be if you're trying to get maybe some colder leads that might take some more time to develop, you might want to maybe look at running people looking for let's say like someone to come trim their trees at their house. Then you might run ads to correlates with the landing page on your website that discusses like maybe how much does it cost, how much is it for this, what is the service, what do you charge for that, and you may want to drive ads to a page that talks about your minimum cost or where you begin at. And that's something that you can get someone who's maybe interested, but they're not like a hot or a warm client, but at least it kind of brings them in and you can give them the answer they're looking for. And sometimes those people, at least they might call, they might inquire, and then you might have to do a couple of follow-ups with them to kind of seal the deal. Then there's going to be other ones that are going to be some like warmer and hot ones, which is like, let's say that you're a plumber and someone has a catastrophic failure and they need a plumber right now. So, emergency plumber, 24-hour plumber, something like that. Like if I'm searching Google for that or calling for that, I'm looking for somebody right now. So those are a couple examples of things and how you maybe want to set up your ads and those search queries to get that. And like I said, the other one you want to look at is you want to look at the cost per click for those. Make sure that you have a landing page or in other words, a website or a web page that answers the questions that people are clicking through to find. With all those things, you'll be able to get an idea of what type of budget you should be running every day to win more clicks, to get more clients. All right. Hopefully that's helpful.